Stop by and take a look at the 1997 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, rear wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, front wheel independent suspension, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, power outlet. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.